everyone, and welcome to another phonics lesson. Today, we are going to learn about uppercase O, P, and Q, and find some ending sounds. And then your exit ticket is practicing O, P, and Q, and you'll be finding some more ending sounds of words. Your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to go get your dry erase board and marker. So today, we're going to focus on an uppercase O, uppercase P, and uppercase Q. Remember, uppercase and lowercase letters have the same sound. So what sound will this uppercase O make? You're right, O, octopus, ah. What sound will this uppercase P make? P, P, pan, P. And what sound will this Q make? Qu, Q, U, queen, qu. Practicing uppercase P's. We know all uppercase letters begin at the skyline. So get your imaginary marker out and pick your color and find that skyline. Here we go. We're going to start at the skyline. We're going to do a straight line past the plane line all the way down to the grass line. Then we're going to pick up our pencil and go back to the skyline. And we're going to go a little bit across the skyline. Then we're going to curve around and stop at the plane line and straight across to connect. Let's do one more. Starting at the skyline, a straight line down to the grass line. Pick your pencil back up, go to the skyline. We're going to do a short little line across the skyline. Then we're going to curve around, down, stopping at the plane line, and short a line across and connect. Now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you are going to practice an uppercase P. All right, let's practice an uppercase O. We're going to start on the skyline. And when we look at an O, it looks like the shape of a circle. And we know circles are all curves. So when we start at the skyline, we're going to start immediately doing a curve. We're going to do a curve all the way past the plane line to the grass line. We're going to touch the grass line, and we're going to go back up to the skyline. Your pencil does not need to be picked up. We're going to do one more. Ready? Skyline all the way around past the plane line, stopping at the grass line, and all the way back up past the plane to the skyline. Now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you're going to practice uppercase O's. Now let's practice uppercase Q's. We're going to just do the Q. All right, a Q starts with an uppercase O. So we're going to do what we just practiced, an uppercase O. So we're going to start at the top of the skyline, curve all the way past the plane line to the grass line. Don't stop, don't pick up your pencil, slide across the grass line, curve back up past the plane line and up to the grass line. Now we're going to go in the middle of the plane line and the grass line, and we're going to slide a line down just like that. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Skyline. We're going to curve past the plane line to the grass line. We're going to touch that grass line. We're going to swoop back up and curve it back up to the skyline. Find the middle between your plane and your grass line, and do a slanted line across, slide down. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you're going to practice uppercase Q's. Now we need to match the picture with the word. So your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys are going to figure out, you're going to read this word and decide which picture matches the word. When you stretched this word with your invisible rubber band, or maybe tapped it out, you probably said this word is in fin. Fin. What picture did you match it to? Did you choose this one? You're right. This is a picture of a fin. Although we see a fish, this arrow is pointing to the fin. Fin. In. Fin. Now let's try this word. Your teacher's going to pause the video. You're going to read this word and decide which picture matches the word. ag, rag, rag. Which picture is a rag? Did you choose this one? This is a rag. Rag is something that you can clean a mess up with or just polish something. What about this word? Your teacher's going to pause the video and you are going to read this word and match it with a picture. Ow. We've learned this word as an onset and rhyme. Ow. Cow. You guys all know what a cow is. We've been learning about farm animals and reading. This is a cow. This picture matches the word cow. For this one, I'm going to say a word, and you are going to decide what the picture is. Then you're going to decide what's the beginning letter, the middle letter, and the ending letter. Your teacher's going to pause the video and decide the picture. I'm going to say a word. Your teacher's going to pause the video. You're going to decide which picture matches the word I say, and then you're going to stretch the word out and decide what letter's the beginning, what letter's the middle, and what letter's the end. Bag, bag. Which picture did you decide? This is a bag. Now, let's break the word apart. B. The first sound I hear is B, which is B. B. A. A. We know the letter A makes the A sound, and that ending sound, B. Ag. G. G makes the G sound. When we put these all together, we get B. Ag. For Seesaw today, you're going to practice uppercase Q, uppercase O, and uppercase P, as well as finding ending sound for cab, bug, and mop. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.